Kimberly Park.
Beep, 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 screeched my underwater dive computer to tell me to stop at 15 feet for 3 minutes. So that is what I did. Something hit me with the force of a silent jet ski. I turned around to look. It was massive. It was terrifying. It was a shark! Madam Contest Chair, and anyone out there who's ever asked, how did I get here? Come with me back in time. The year is 2004, a year before my shark attack, and I'm in jail. And folks, this is not the first time. I cannot believe that officer arrested me for drunk driving. And how else are you supposed to drive a Corvette? Fast? Hello? And how it's Prince's fault for singing Purple Rain, Purple Rain. I mean, how else are you supposed to play that amazing song but full volume? It's just not fair. Why did this happen to me? I heard Queen, the lyrics in my head. Sometimes I wish I'd never been born at all. Have you ever felt like that?
Of course.
I looked into a mirror. I hated who I'd become. I was broken. Until I was given the gift of desperation to crack me open. So I joined a 12-step program where I asked Barbara to be my mentor. She was a 76-year-old Canadian with a cute poodle perm. She smelled like lavender, but she spoke like a drill sergeant. And this is what she said. Kimberly, in every situation that upsets you, ask yourself, what's your part to play? Do you understand me? Yes, Barbara. Now let's talk about your part to play that night. Who picked up all those drinks? Who got behind the wheel? Who cranked up the radio? She was right. I caused it all. It was me. I picked up all those drinks. I got behind the wheel. I cranked up the radio. I knew I needed help. I had to stop blaming everyone else. Have you ever done that? Barbara, that woman, she saved my life. And when I asked myself that question, what part did I have to play? It truly hit me. It's so much easier, though, to blame than to say, it's my fault. Let me ask you all a question. Whenever you're frustrated, do you have the courage to ask yourselves, what's your part to play? Now let's go back to that beautiful dive. I'm taking pictures of the most unusual, rare fish. Wow, I've never seen anything like this before. Now, this ain't no little GoPro, folks. My camera is the size of Texas. And I take a lot of pictures with it. In fact, I take so many that my dive buddy swam away to the group. And then they all swam away. Now, the devil, standing next to me that day, whispers in my ear, you have plenty of air. You are an experienced scuba dive master. You can always catch up with them later. I know what you all must be thinking about me right now. She's crazy. If she listens to that devil, she's not that smart. Well, guess what? You are right! Now back to that shark attack. Beep, beep, beep. So this great big massive shark is starting to circle me, and he's eyeballing me. I'm him a big, juicy steak. And on his next meal, then the attack comes. I kick him with my scuba fin. He opens his mouth, and he shoves it on my fin. Then he shakes me like a dog would shake a toy. And in that moment, I think, oh, this is going to hurt. Then I heard Barbara in my head. What's your part to play? It was my fault. She's right. I watched my dive buddy swim away. It was my fault. And as that shark had my foot in his mouth, I screamed through my regulator. You know the thing you put in your mouth when you're diving so you get air? God in heaven, please save my life. I will. Not mine. Keep me done. Then a miracle happened. Something lifted up my arm. I think it was someone. And I took a photograph. And the lights on the camera went pow! It blinded the shark. He opened his mouth and my foot came out. I bolted to the surface and I looked for the diver. Oh, there they are! Over there! Please help me! I'm being attacked! A shark! And guess what, everyone? I was saved! Obviously! We are going to encounter many sharks in our lives. But you can't let them, or blaming them, destroy you. So if you get upset or frustrated, I want you to remember, what would Barbara say?
What's your part to play?
I can't hear you.
What's your part to play?